The famous place in the kitchen island, 135-degree corner. Here is a dishwasher, here is a sink, and usually here is a lost space between here and here. There is nothing inside. We can reclaim this space by using triangle style drawer. This is how I made it. Because of the shape, you cannot use sliders on the side, so I put it on the bottom. Literally took 2x6 and put 2 sliders on the side, and same on the shelf. Of course, I could use bottom mounted sliders as well, but it would be like 4 times more expensive as regular slides.